Okay, so before we get into the actual video, I just want to show you guys the packaging. This is from a hair company. I believe it's pronounced AERYN21, AERYN21WIGS. So this is the cap construction for this headband wig. It has a satin headband on it, which straps together or connects through the Velcro. It has a series of combs on it. It has 3 in the perimeter and then 1 on the back. And it's a pretty basic standard, cap size and whatnot. So this is the packaging. I did get to pick out a few headbands to go ahead and pair with this wig. They also sent over a lot of packets of their deep conditioner, and I did end up using this on the hair when I first washed it, so shout out to them for that. I do have on a wig cap, and I just wash day was for me the other day. So what I did to keep in mind, because I know I wanted to do a video on this wig, is I didn't start my braids like up here where they should start. I kind of like slicked my hair back and started them like right here, just so I could have a little bit more of my edges showing, because with this wig you can go in and like separate a little bit of your perimeter, but I didn't want to do that just because I know that I do wear the typical wigs, with the actual lace on them, so I kind of need my hair to be braided underneath here. So it's pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple, you guys. Like literally all you do is put the wig on. It's a headband wig, so it automatically comes with this black headband on there, and then all you do is just snap it in the back, kind of anchor the comb right there, and then just snap the Velcro. Now, how you guys can see here, there's not enough Velcro strip on this side to make this side stick, so it's just kind of hanging off. But it's not the end of the world. It's an easy fix. So all I did was just tuck it in, and then of course it's going to be a matter of your personal preference on how far you want to wear the wig. Like I showed you guys earlier, they did send me like 4 headbands. I'm going to go on with this one, so I'm just going to put this on. And what I have found, you guys, from this particular wig, just because the wig band is a pretty nice length, I think that what I will do, because I'm definitely going to keep continuing to wear this wig. I've already been wearing it so far because it's just so convenient and easy to put on. But I'm going to order some headbands that are a little bit thicker, that have a little bit of a wider band. Just because these ones are like wide at the front, but you see how they like get skinny in the back. I want to make sure that back band is covered as much as possible too. And this is what it looks like with this headband on here. Now this hair texture, you guys, is silky straight, and then I do have it in the natural black color that it comes in. So this is human hair. I'm not sure if you could go in and like dye it or bleach it. I'm gonna say maybe yes you can. I'm not sure. It's been a minute since I've worked with human hair before, but I'm sure you could bleach this hair. I don't know how well it would take to the bleach, but you'd have to just kind of try it for yourself. But we all know what straight hair looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl this hair really quickly, just to put a little bit of volume in the hair. Now if it doesn't hold a curl, then I really won't be upset with that, because like I said, I did pick this hair out in the silky straight texture, but I just want to put a little bit of curls in this. Okay, so it is curling pretty nicely considering that this is straight hair, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do the rest of the hair. Okay, you guys, so I just finished curling it, and all I did was just throw it into a ponytail. You guys, you can do ponytail, you can wear it down, you can do a half up, half down, you could do it like in a bun, you could do pretty much anything that you would do like with the sew-on with this kind of wig. I feel like you definitely could as like a curled pony. I think it's so freaking cute. I especially love the colors in this headband. It is just giving me like tropical vibes. I love every single color that's in this headband. Like, this is one of those headbands where you can kind of like mix and match it with a lot of different things. Like, it kind of goes with what I have on right now, but I know it'll go with so many other things too. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle that you can do with this wig, which is just kind of like a messy ponytail, but I did go ahead and throw some curls in it. Since I did curl it to show you guys what it would look like down, I'll go ahead and put it back down. This is what it looks like when it's down, and I don't want anything to be perfect. I want the curls to be messy, but this is the length on me. Like I said, this is 22 inches, and this is where it falls on me, if you guys can see that. You guys, basically all this wig is just an old school half wig. They just decided to revamp it a little bit. I noticed that a lot of hair companies are starting to come out with these wigs. Part of the reason though, I think from my theory, is because of what's going on right now. Like, they're not able to get like HD lace. I cannot find it anywhere. Can barely get my hands on some transparent lace. So I think they're having an issue with running out of lace. So it's like one hair company I seen did this, and then all of the other ones started doing this now too, which I'm not mad at it. I love the concept of it. Definitely a lot more affordable than regular wigs, but you still get like the same good quality. I don't know, it's like either gonna work for some people or it's not. But for this wig, I think it's like $170 for 22 inches, and I honestly think that's not bad, because the hair quality is really good and it's very versatile, and it's like one of those wigs where you don't have to do any work to it. You don't have to worry about the lace. You don't have to worry about ruining your edges. Like, I think that this is pretty neat. Like I said, I love it. One thing that I want to say, since I have been wearing it for a little while now with this hair, it's good quality hair. It's human hair, of course, so it's not virgin hair, but honestly, it moves the same, it feels the same, it behaves the same way that virgin hair does, and I barely get any shedding with this wig. I don't know what it is, but it barely sheds. Like, I was purposely brushing it kind of hard just to see if I would get any strands coming out, and I barely get shedding with this hair. So what are you guys thinking so far? This wig is super cute, right? I think it's cute. The concept of it is very convenient. Like I said, if you're not new to like wigs, especially like back in the day when I used to like rock synthetic wigs, all this is a half wig with a little bit of a twist on it, like a better twist. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it up in a bun and show you guys what that would look like. My chair is not going to go any lower, but you guys, you can just get real creative with this wig. Like, you can put it in a messy bun and leave some of the ends out like this, or you could just wrap it around, which is what I'm going to do. And I don't have a hairpin on me, so I'm just going to fake it. And then what I would do is just bring the ends together here, and there you have a bun. I have this big old duckbill clip, but I just won't turn around so you guys won't see this sticking out. But ideally, you would want to use like hairpins for like a bun hairstyle. But this is something that's easy to do. What I'm gonna try to do now is put it in like a little half up, half down style. Just give me a second to get my bun taken down. If you don't want to do it in a bun, you could always just throw it into a high ponytail like this, which is pretty much how I've been wearing this hair now. If I didn't already mention to you guys, just because this is a half wig doesn't really mean anything, I did still go in and wash this wig, and then I did go ahead and let it air dry. I just love this color, this mustard yellow. Now, I'm not bold enough to buy any clothes this color yet, but it's like a headband or like maybe a t-shirt in this color. I absolutely love it. But one day I'm gonna find the courage to wear like a mustard yellow colored dress, because I just think that this is such a beautiful color. And of course, I do have my headband on inside out because these little things are sticking out. Okay, it's inside out, but that's okay. We're still gonna make it work. And if I didn't already mention, you guys, the density on this wig is only 150% density. Now, normally I would encourage you guys, and I would never get a 150 wig in straight hair, especially a curly hair. I might consider that. I have gotten 150 in curly hair, just depending on, I think my IC kinky curly hair was 150, but because of how that hair texture is, that's okay. Normally for straight hair, I would never tell anyone to get 150% density, but this wig is a little bit different, so this is actually okay. I love how it looks, especially when I throw it in a high ponytail. So the density for this wig surprisingly does not bother me at all. I think that it's perfect for this type of wig. I think that is where I'm going to stop. I just pretty much wanted to be sure to show you guys like that you do have some versatility with this wig. So big shout out to them for their packaging. Like this packaging, you guys, is A1. It's just nice and sleek, you know, black and gold, very cute. Love the box especially. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. I think this wig is amazing. I have been wearing the heck out of it. I need to get back to wearing my other wigs, but I just have not been feeling like it ever since I got this one. Like, I don't know what it is. This one is just better for right now, especially, at least for me, it is. If I missed anything, or you guys feel like you guys still have just any more questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down below in the comment section, and I promise I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.